Hello, and welcome to our collaborative poster discussing our exhibition, Preserved in Clay and Stone, celebrating the history of ancient Latin America. This exhibition was held at Winthrop University's Pettus Archive in Rock Hill, South Carolina in September of 2021. Two of the Art History Department's research students, junior Samuel Hensley and sophomore Red Klug, traveled with me, teaching assistant professor of art history Megan Leight, to host a lecture event for approximately 30 students, staff, faculty, and the public. We each presented on a few of the 20 objects selected in the exhibition to help everyone understand the show in more detail. The first figure from the exhibition is the Nicoyan Seated Female, dating to the late Classic period, approximately 800 to 1200 AD. This piece is a small, likely mold-made ceramic figurine depicting a kneeling female with elaborate clothing and headgear. She closely aligns with other figurines from the Mora polychrome Gubal variety of the Nicoyan Peninsula of Costa Rica. The thick black lines form large almond shapes around the eyes, which are typical of the Mora style. As you glance at the profile view of the figure, make note of the slightly bulging eyes, ears, nose, breasts, and the lower abdomen, which convey the three-dimensional quality of these attributes of the human body. The holes on either side of the individual's neck, also seen from the profile view of the figure, were primarily made to vent hot air during firing to prevent the object from exploding during production. They may also have been placed intentionally to allow the figurine to be worn as a necklace. The figurine was first slipped in a light tan and finished with simple red and black paint to indicate clothing, hair, and elaborate patterned body decoration. Depending on the age of the individual depicted, the body decorations mimicked those used in life. If the person was an adolescent, the decorations were either hand-painted or stamped on the body. If the individual was an adult, the decoration was likely permanently tattooed on the skin. Based on your observations, can you guess the age of this figure? If you guessed an adult female, you are correct. This piece was likely recovered from a woman's tomb, where it was left as part of a burial assemblage to reflect the status the living had achieved in her life, as well as her elaborate body decoration.